So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Tech Viper. So today in this video we will see how to create this Apple-like glass effect using Figma. But before that I want you guys to please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified with all the updates. So without wasting time, let's see how to create this. So you can see we are inside the Figma project now. So first of all, by pressing A, we will drop a frame. I am using MacBook Air here. And then by going over here, we will select Unsplash. From here you can take anything, like I want something like plant, and we can select this one. Perfect. Now let's press T on our keyboard and write something like The Tech Viper. Great. You can see it's medium and the font I'm using is 48 or 40. The font size should be somewhat like that, the way you like. And by selecting it, let's put it inside the auto frame layout by pressing Shift+A. Now you can see it's inside auto frame layout. Let's give it an horizontal padding of 80 and vertical padding of 50. Perfect. Let's bring it over here. Now press R on our keyboard and something like this. In that way we will create a rectangle. Now go over here and bring this rectangle inside. Once the rectangle is inside, it will be something like that. Then you need to select the rectangle only itself. Click over here. What it does, it will ignore the auto frame layout. Then just align it. Perfect. Now we will change this color to somewhat fully white and we will give it an opacity of 5. Perfect. So it's something like that. It's looking great. Now selecting the rectangle, we will take it above the text. Perfect. Now we will select the whole frame. Come over here and we will give it a radius of somewhat 100 and we will select clip content. Perfect. Now you can see little bit of overlay over there. Now what we can do, by selecting the rectangle, come over to FX and we select background blur and we will give it 9. Perfect. Now we will drop another effect and we will select texture. We will make it 80 and radius to 20. Perfect. And drag and bring the texture below the background blur. Perfect. Now if we select the frame, now you can see the glass effect is somewhat visible. So now we want to give some more effects. So what we can do, by selecting the whole frame, come over to effects and here you select and drop shadow. Now we will give 0, let's give it 2 and here let's give it 8. Let's give this one 10%. Perfect. Now selecting the whole frame again, click on it. From here select inner shadow, give it 1. Let's give blur 2. Let's take this one to 10% or like 17%. Change this color to fully white. Perfect. Now let's another again, same inner blur, 1 and let's give it the blur to 5. Let's change it to somewhat 40. Let's change it to white again and from here let's select overlay. See, you got subtle stroke over here, stroke like thing. This feels good. Next again we will click over here, we will select the inner shadow again, then we will select over here 1 and here also we will select 1. Now we will give it 90. Same we will take it to white. Here we will select overlay. Perfect. And now for this side we will do the same thing, but for the X and Y position we will use minus. So same, again select this one, click over it, go to inner shadow, 1, 2, let's give it 17, and make it minus. Yeah, perfect. White. Again we will click over here, inner shadow, -1, -1, 5, 40, white, overlay, and the last time inner shadow, -1, -1, 1, 90, select over here, white, select over here, and overlay. Now if I just, you can see we got the glass effect. It looks great. Now if I want an icon, suppose with this background, it's very simple. Just duplicate this one. Now go over here, select Iconify from plugins, and suppose I want Google this logo. Add it to the frame. Perfect. Let's increase the size to somewhat 80. Let's delete this text. Select this Google icon, cut it, and paste it inside the frame. So you will get something like this. And now suppose if you want to make it full circle, it's also simple. Let me show you. Duplicate it, selecting it, let's give it 50 by 50, and now see, it's total circle. So in this way you can just create a simple Apple-like glass effect using Figma. So I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please do subscribe and support me. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.